Goddess pose, Utkata Konasana. Take the feet wide apart. Turn the feet out about 45 degrees. And you want to bend the knees right over the ankles. Allow the tailbone to descend as you lift the frontal hip points up. Inhale, extend the arms out. You can bend at the elbows if you like. Fingers point up towards the ceiling. You can make a little mudra with your hands as if you're holding a big fat joint. Continue bending in the knees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Continue to breathe. And to exit, press firmly down into the heels. Root down to rise up. And as you inhale, straighten the legs. Turn the toes forward and gently step to Tadasana. Modified goddess pose using a yoga ball. Place your yoga mat and the yoga ball firmly against the wall for support. Bend your knees, sit down on the yoga ball. Plant your feet firmly into the floor. Feel all four corners of both feet press down. Draw the belly button back towards the spinal column. Sit up nice and tall. You want to have a long, straight spine. So you're stacking your rib cage over the hips and the shoulders over the rib cage. Hold here for a few breaths. Turn the feet out 45 degrees. Bend knees in direction of the toes. Engage your core muscles. Lift frontal hip points up. Root tailbone down. Breathe deeply. Some of the benefits include stretches your hips and thighs, tones your core muscles, strengthens your quadriceps, activates root and sacral chakras, heats up the entire body, and balances our feminine energy.